Who's ready to post some affiliate links and make money while you sleep? I think you are. But there's a big problem. You're more of a private person and you don't really want to show your face on social, right? You see all of these huge influencers such as Ali Abdaal, Jenna Kutcher, Amy Porterfield, and you think to yourself, I need like thousands of followers to make this work, right? Here's the thing, the barrier to entry is sometimes a lot lower than you think it is. So if you don't have followers yet and you're just starting out, like this is your tutorial. I will show you how you can make money by becoming an Amazon affiliate, and I will walk you through everything step by step today in this tutorial. So in order for you to become an Amazon affiliate without a large social media following, you only need to do a few things really. So the first thing you need is a website that you own. This is really key. So the other big piece too is when someone reviews your website, there needs to be content on your website that must be very recent. So generally like within the last 60 days. And again, it needs to be your website. It can't be someone else's website. And if you're now like thinking, oh gosh, Fabi, I don't have a blog. Don't you worry, because I have an entire tutorial on how to write 10 blog articles for your ideal customer in less than 2 hours with the help of AI. You gotta check that out. It's pretty crazy. And it's so easy. Like, I wish more people would know about this. So yeah, definitely check it out. Open it in a new tab, but finish watching this video first. So once you have your website and your blog set up, there are literally just like kind of 3 steps left, right? 1, you need to apply to become an Amazon affiliate. Number 2, you add your unique affiliate links to your blog. And then number 3 is you get 3 friends or family members to purchase from you. That's it. Easy peasy, right? I believe in you. You can totally do this. Time to get to work. Let me show you how to apply to become an Amazon affiliate the easy way. Okay, first of all, we'll Google Amazon affiliate, and you can see here, Amazon affiliate program. So I'm gonna click on this, and then you can see here how easy it is, sign up, recommend, earn. Okay, so we're gonna sign up. Okay, and this is really key now. You should create a net new Amazon account with your business. If you don't have that already. If you already have a business account, great. But I would highly recommend creating an Amazon account with your business. Because again, you don't want to mix up your personal and your business account. So I would really completely keep it separate. Your finances, keep them all separate, very key. If you don't have that, just make sure that you create an Amazon account. So you just type in your name, and then your email address, password. Okay, so then you click on create your Amazon account. Okay, and then it will send you a one-time password to your email. So let's get this. Okay, so I've got my password, putting this in here. First up, you need to put in a payee name. So enter the name exactly as it should appear on your check. So if it's a business, make sure to put in your business name. If you don't have a business yet, I would recommend just putting your name in here. But again, I want to highly recommend that you keep personal and business separate. So if you don't have an LLC yet, make sure to check out this video right here where I tell you all about the mistakes I've made when filing an LLC. So definitely check it out. So then type in your address, your city, your state, zip code, and the country. Okay, then you click on next. Okay, and now here, this is very key. As I mentioned, you don't have to be a huge influencer, but you do need a website. So put in your website right here. So once you have this website here, click on add. And if you have blogs or something else, just make sure to add them all here. Okay, when you're done, you click on next. And then this is key. Are there any traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? No. Confirm. So you can put your name here if it's available. If not, it will tell you. Also, it says tell us about the content you create. So you can do like blog about, whatever you do. Which of the following best describes your content? Comparison, shopping engine, search, blog, content, or niche website. So I will just do content or niche website. And then it says, how did you hear about us? So you click on from the Amazon.com website or from me. So you could do word of mouth. And then you have to type in these characters. This is just to make sure that this is not a robot. It's funny how you do all of the machine learning work for them. And then you click on finish and you're done. Pretty easy, right? Awesome. You're done with literally the hardest part of the process. Seriously. So what's most important now is you can't make a sale if you don't have affiliate links to promote, right? So that's why next up, we want to make sure that we create links that we then put on your blog. So here's how we're going to do it. Okay, so now when you're logged into your Amazon affiliate account and you go to Amazon, you see something really cool right up here. Amazon Associates Site Stripe. This is really, really cool. So what you're going to do here is you literally just go on the page of the product that you want to promote. So in this instance is Do Epic Ship. And then I click on Get Link and I click on Text. And I have the link right here without doing any work. So I can just copy paste it. You can do the full link. I don't like the full link. I always do the short link. But you can also have an image if you want to. Small, medium, large. And you can embed this then in your website or in your blog if that's something you like. So if someone then clicks on that image, it automatically goes to Amazon and it drops the cookie that you are the one who persuaded that user to purchase. So I usually go just with the text one and just use this one, copy paste it, and then I'm gonna add this to my blog. Okay, on my website, I have, because I'm such a bookaholic, I have tons of books. And you can see here, when you click on Learn More, it will automatically go to Amazon. Let's check it out. Boom. And if I were to buy this now, I would get revenue from it. You can't really tell here that it is an affiliate link, which is really important that you actually do. So when I scroll back up, you see here, as an Amazon associate, I earn a commission. You have to have that, because what you don't want to happen is that you just send links, and that's what some people do on social media, and there's no context that you're actually an affiliate. Before you show any Amazon affiliate link, always have this in here. And you even see it when you go to my influencer Amazon store. Let me show you. Yeah, so even when you see this here, it says earns commissions, right? And then you can see here that I earn commission on purchases before there are even any products recommended. And this is really key. Like, you have to tell people that you're making money with this, because otherwise that's not right. And now it's time to share your link with friends and family to get your first 3 qualifying purchases in. Okay, now let's talk about do's and don'ts real quick. Don't use your affiliate link in email. You can easily get disqualified from the Amazon program when you do that. Also, very key, when you use the Amazon affiliate link on your website, don't show pricing on your website and don't use Amazon's images on your website, because that is against their copyright. So that's really key. And then also, don't just feature your Amazon link on social media, right? Because again, you can easily get kicked out of the program, and you really don't want to risk that because you just got approved. This is why you will see big influencers use Linktree to have people move over to their websites or the Amazon store. I don't know if you noticed that, but that's why. So by law, you need to make sure that you state that you're an Amazon affiliate before you show the link. And this is really, really important. Please don't make that mistake. Now, let's talk about the secret that you've been waiting for the whole time. So, if someone clicks on your link but doesn't buy, you might be thinking, gosh, I suck, they didn't buy. So, but here's the thing, no one really wants you to know. Your link, your Amazon affiliate link, is actually active for 24 hours. Meaning, whatever that person then buys from Amazon within 24 hours will be counted for your commission. So you're basically getting a part of the sales whenever they check out within 24 hours, except for if they click on a different affiliate link from a different person. But it's really funny because when I look at my affiliate report, I found some really weird items that I didn't create links for. And this is why. Also, lastly, have you ever noticed that a lot of influencers have these really cool looking Amazon stores? So I want you to know that even with, I think I had 3,000 followers on Instagram, I got approved for the Amazon influencer program. So again, why I'm telling you this is you don't need to have a huge following to become an affiliate at all. I believe in you. You can do this. Now, there's one last thing, a thing no one really talks about. If you just post an affiliate link, you will actually not get as much money as you think. Why? I will tell you all about these really little known affiliate marketing secrets to boost your revenue in my next video.